Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me hair edition as well as makeup. So I'm trying on a lot of new different products, mostly these four being the newest products. So I have this Huda Beauty foundation. It's my first time trying this, so I'm really excited to see how it works, as well as my Urban Decay concealer, Naked Skin. I've always used their products, so I just have a different color. So I got to see how this color looks on me this time. And then I do have a brow tamer from Urban Decay, as well as a brow pencil from Lancome. Now I am a Lancome hoe, okay? I love Lancome products. So I never tried the eyebrow pencil before, so my first time trying this. The most important part of this video really is the hair. But I want to show you guys my little quick glam so you guys can see what's going to happen. So I'm going to just start off with my brows. I'm probably going to cut most of this footage out because brows take a long time for me, and honey child, I ain't got time for that. I'm going to be using the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay, and this is in the color Medium Light. And as you guys know, all brushes that I am using are from BH Cosmetics. Go ahead and use my code Simone Sharice for a little discount. And this is brush number 6. I like this concealer because it's not as thick as other concealers, but it glides really well, like right under my brow. It's like, whew. It makes it easier to kind of go ahead. But if you're not a pro at brows, don't probably use it because you might slide and go up into the brow. Just giving you guys a little heads up. Okay, so my brows are nicely done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the Huda Beauty foundation. Again guys, I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 3. It's not a foundation brush, but I use it as a foundation brush because it makes my foundation go nice and smooth. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna use my my e.l.f. Poreless Primer, favorite primer. I haven't used it in a while because I've been using other products and dibbling, delling, and seeing what they're about. But I am gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, my favorite, really inexpensive, under $10. Saw that from 21 e.l.f. stores and so forth, and Target. So
5, 4, 3, 2.
And I do this before my eyebrows because guys, if I don't, my eyebrows will be moving all over the place as I'm trying to like draw it on. So I have to do this. Now I'm gonna go into using my foundation. Ooh, the foundation light as shit. Okay, so my foundation is light as fuck. Probably because I'm slightly tan, but it did match before, so we're gonna have to use lots of contour. This foundation is also very freaking thick. I'm gonna put this in. Whoa. When your foundation is too light, I'm gonna show you how to fix it because I already have it on my face and I'm not taking it off. So in person, it's showing up a little bit better. On camera, it looks a lot more lighter on my face. But as I look at it in camera, it actually doesn't, in person, it actually does not look that bad. So whatever you guys are seeing, don't kill me, okay? I haven't used this one in a long time, but I'm gonna actually use Fenty Beauty in the color Truffle. Contour my face, because I can already see. And then I'm gonna go back with my Urban Decay concealer and put that also in my highlighted areas. I'm gonna put a little bit of this though, it's gonna be too much to blend out. And then I'm going to be using my Rodeo, the bacon brush. I use my brushes for whatever I want to use them for. Okay, so this brush is actually from BH Cosmetics and it's the 113 brush, a different palette. But I'm just going to, in order to get these lines out, the contour, I'm gonna go in a circular motion, as you guys see that I always do. So now what I'm gonna do, since my whole face area is technically done, is I'm gonna go into doing my eyeshadow before I go ahead and do any setting powder or any powder on my cheeks or anything like that, because that's just what I like to do, okay? I forgot to tell you guys though, the brow tamer. I did go ahead, I wanna use the brow tamer, and pretty much what it looks like is, it looks kind of like a mascara, so if you can see, you just kind of comb your brows with it. Like, it's just gonna make it look nice and darker. Okay, so to set my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the concealer once again. And then just rub that in. And then I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty loose baking powder to just set my eyelids, because my eyelids definitely do crease. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using only one palette, which is this color right here.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Then I'm gonna go in with a slightly dark purple. So the darkest purple we have is VIP, which is right here. And I'm just gonna take a teeny bit of this using the same blending brush, which is number 6 from the It's My Ray Ray collection. Okay, so that was that. Now go back in with my concealer. The lip glitz from Black Radiance. This is in the color Movie Star. And I love these because you can literally just put these on your lids and that's it. You really don't need to use a brush, but I'm gonna use a brush to make sure it's really neat, but you really don't need to. I am going to go back in with color VIP right here, and I'm just going to kind of smoke out a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with brush number 5 around this color. Put that on my lower lash lid. I am going to go ahead and use a black eyeliner. I'm going to do my liner, Wig Black's eyeliner. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty, my faves, the style Samantha. Now I'm going to actually go back in. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use the setting powder and put it in my T-zone areas as well as underneath my eyes. It's raining outside, so you might hear some raindrops. Ignore it. Next, I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette from medium to dark. And I'm going to use everything in this palette but the highlight to kind of sculpt and give me back some color because I feel a little pale. Be extremely light with this product because it is very pigmented and you will look a little crazy. Very chiseled and I'm also using another BH Cosmetics brush, and that's the end look. Next, I'm going to be using the Lumi highlight from L'Oreal. First time using this, but it was too like pixie dusty looking if that makes sense. It was too purple, so I ended up using my Urban Decay highlight that I usually use, because for me it gave me the look that I was looking for. The other one was just way too different for me. This is the lip primer from Lime Crime, so I'm going to be using that, as well as my Kylie Jenner chocolate brown lip matte, and I'm using that as a lip liner. The lip blaze from the Lime Crime Grand. And then I'm going to use my finger to kind of blend it out. My fingers are my best tool sometimes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the D-Slick from Urban Decay, one of my personal faves, and I use this to set my makeup. So spray some, let it dry, and then let's get straight on to hair. Now for hair, I was lazy, so half my hair is braided and half my hair is not braided. I can't deal with the braids, so. All right, I'm wearing a wig cap. You guys know I don't usually wear a wig cap, especially when it's like this. But here's a wig that I made from about 2 months ago. If you guys remember, I wore it in Bali. This hair is from her hair, and I love the hair. I showed you guys how to make the lace frontal wig. I showed you guys how to style it back in March. Now, since then, I have not worn this unit because the lace on this unit is extremely and entirely itchy. Like when I say itchy, I mean itchy. Like I've heard of itchy laces, but I never actually experienced one. This one was itchy as hell. So my friend came up with the idea to wear a stocking cap underneath the unit, and it actually did not make me itch. However, if you don't have a stocking cap underneath this unit, you will be itching for dear life because the lace is itchy. I'm not sure why that is, but that was just my experience. I've had her hair before, and I loved the hair, but this was the first time I experienced a very itchy lace from them. But the hair texture on this hair was actually nice. You are gonna have to do a lot of flat ironing to get it really sleek. This hair is naturally wavy. Again, guys, refer back to my first video where I showed you guys the hair in its natural state. So yes, that is my full review on the hair. However, when I put it on yesterday and I did style it, I was like, oh, this hair looks kind of cute. So just giving you guys a little heads up. But here I am curling my hair. Ignore that snap. That's for when I do my Instagram videos. Get to the point. I am going to be using this Flyaway Tamer, and I'm using this for the top of my hair because there are a lot of flyaways there and it looks a little nutty. And then I didn't do baby hairs. I didn't even glue this wig down. I didn't even gel this wig down, okay? I just slapped it on my head and add some hair sheen to it, as you can see I'm doing right now. Don't put too much or your hair will be strings. And then I just combed out a little bit in the Widow Peak area. Used some Gotta Be glue, and that was it. I have a headband on this unit, so I guess you can call this unit glueless. This hair is super long. I don't remember what the inches were, but I will have everything down for you in the description box. I want to stress that. Everything is down below. Down below. Okay, this is my end result. I am going to show you guys my outfit because this is a get ready with me hair, makeup, and outfit video, which I don't really do, so this is very rare for me to do all three in one video. But I did light waves. The curling iron will be down below for you guys. It might be a dupe. I don't know if I can find the same exact one on Amazon, but the dress is from Fashion Nova, and this is how it looks. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I'm trying to do more makeup videos for you guys because you guys always request, but I always put it on Instagram. So here you are. Here you guys are. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye, my loves.